What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making a new recipe using the newest flavor of Ghost Nutter Butter. If you haven't tried this already, go to the nearest GNC and pick you up a tub because this is the recipe I'm gonna be making is to die for, seriously. So without a further ado, let's get started. P.S. if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more recipe videos and workout videos, random videos. Yeah, show some love, subscribe. Okay, cool. Okay guys, so the ingredients are super simple. You can make it with only 4 ingredients, but I am adding in an extra ingredient because you'll see why. You'll be needing cashew milk for some reason. It's much creamier, it's lower in calories. I use the unsweet vanilla. We're gonna be using the Nutter Butter Ghost protein powder. We have coconut oil, semi-sweet chocolate chips, and I'm gonna be using this gluten-free sprouted vanilla why is that a tongue twister? Vanilla chia seeds, granola. Why am I saying seeds? We're gonna use granola, okay? So that's granola. I have these cups. I'm actually gonna be using a meal prep container and I'll line them out. That way nothing spills in my freezer. This recipe makes 5, so that's all ready. So I'll put it to the side. Okay, so first we need to cover just the bottom of the liners with our, a chocolate coat. So what we're gonna do is take a small little bowl. We're going to add 1/3 cup of the dark chocolate chips and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. We're gonna microwave it for 30 to 60 seconds until it's melted. So we're gonna mix it together until it's all melted. It will continue to melt once you take it out if there's still chunks of the chocolate chips, but just keep mixing and eventually it will melt. Okay, so once it's melted, we can grab our liners, and I usually just do a spoonful at the bottom of each one just to get a good coat because we'll be using the rest later on. Okay, we're gonna set this aside because we're gonna be using it in a little while. So now I'm gonna put this in the freezer for about 5 minutes while I actually make the rest of the recipe, so we'll do that. Okay, now that that's in the freezer, we're actually going to make our filling. I'm gonna be using 1 scoop of the Nutter Butter Ghost protein powder. And with this, you can just put it in a little mug or a bowl, doesn't matter. I'm gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cashew milk. We don't want too much because then it's very runny and we don't want that. We want it actually pretty thick. And we will take a spoon and stir this now. Make sure to mix it all the way before you add the granola, so there's not protein chunks. Now we're gonna add 1/3 cup of the granola into our protein powder. And then you'll just fold the granola into the mix. Okay, now that we finish this, I'm going to grab the liners from the freezer and then we're gonna add this to it. I'm going to add a huge scoop to each one. So this is what they should look like right now. Now we're gonna be adding the last layer of the chocolate before we let them sit in the freezer. So you'll grab your remaining chocolate and then we're going to add a second layer on top. So this is what they should look like. We're gonna set them in the freezer for about 30 minutes and then they should be ready. And what they should look like. They're so cute. Cheers. Oh, bento, do you want some? I'm sorry, it's chocolate. You can't have it, you'll die. The granola truly makes this recipe. No, actually the Nutter Butter protein powder does, but thanks for tuning in, guys. For more recipe videos, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Till next time. Should I eat another one, Bento? Okay.